Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on a bright but very cold and obviously very windy day. Looking at Easton's Beach in Newport, sun just above the horizon right now. Wind chills today. Well, this morning we're running in the teens and only in the 20s this afternoon. So, I mean, the air temperature, the actual air temperature, around 38 today, but those winds making it feel colder. Here we are at the 3 o'clock hour, actually almost 3:45 in the afternoon and early evening. We're looking at temps now, generally in the mid to upper 30s. The winds will ease later tonight and not as windy for tomorrow. Our threat tracker looking okay now through Thursday evening, but by late Thursday night and especially on Friday, coastal storm, but not enough cold air around for snow. It may end as snow, but it's mostly rain. Some strong wind gusts, especially along the South Shore, some reduced travel, both speeds, both Friday morning commute and the evening commute on Friday as well. So skies are clear. As we widen out the view, you can see storm system now. The main center is actually spiraling across the northern plains. And when we take this into the future, and you can see that precipitation advancing north and east. Now, here we are on Thursday morning. It is dry, clouds are on the increase. So while the main storm center kind of hangs back across the northern plains, there'll be a secondary one developing across the Mid-Atlantic and the Carolinas. And this will be the primary storm for late Thursday night into Friday. Here we are Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, clouding up, still dry. But this precipitation should arrive around 11 o'clock Thursday night and extend right on through all of Friday as the storm starts to wrap up just south of New England. Here we are Friday morning at around 10 a.m. And with a east wind, storm tracking close to the coastline, it'll tend to pull in the milder air off the ocean. So right in here, most of our area, it's in the form of rain. You get into the Berkshires, northwest Connecticut, upstate New York, northern New England, it's all snow. Now, this is a Friday morning with a kind of a windswept rain into the evening commute. But then notice, now this is Friday evening, 6 o'clock, rain and wind for that evening commute. This pink line right in here, this is actually the rain-snow line. So late Friday night as the storm, it pulls away to the north and east. On the back side of the storm, watch how some of this blue starts to pass over our area later Friday night. So ending as a brief period of some wet snow, and then here we are Saturday morning, perhaps a leftover like snow shower, and then skies will clear by Saturday afternoon. So if we take a look at the snowfall accumulations, the bulk of this is actually up in the Berkshires and the Worcester Hills, but towards the tail end on Friday night, there's a slight chance we may get some small accumulations north and west of Providence. Again, that is Friday night late. But for the most part, this is like 90% all rain. As we get in real close, take a look at the forecast for this evening, which is essentially blustery, cold, and dry, though the winds will be easing later in the evening. And it sets up for dry weather for Thursday morning, fading sunshine, temperatures starting off low to mid-30s, and then during the afternoon becoming mostly cloudy. And really, the afternoon looks dry, even into the early evening commute. The rain starting around 11 o'clock on Thursday night, and it's a windswept rain, heavy at times on Friday, up to an inch of rain, wind gusts, especially along the coastline, maybe 30 up to 45 miles per hour, so stay tuned. All right, that's your latest Weather Now update. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.